Hello everyone! This is my third week as a cosmetology student. So I'm so excited today we got our kit. So ayan yung mga clips. Tas we got the 3 heads of mannequin for doing our haircut, mother hairdo and everything and so on, you name it. So ayan, we got our iPad, we got the hair curler, hair dryer, blower, hair straightener, trimmer, clippers, and all of that good stuff. So, ayan. I'm not sure lang if we did hair cutting that day too. So, nakalimutan ko na be. Baka, maybe we did. We did the straight haircut on Samantha. That's our first mannequin. So, ayan. It's a break time. Nakakapag-video lang ako guys when it's 5 minutes break time or minsan nagpapaalam kami sa teacher if we can take photos or something. So, yung ginagawa ko ay take a short clip lang. So, ayan. Ayan, ito yung mga listahan ng mga gamit na binigay sa amin. So, usually, yung mga gamit na kit namin ay kasama siya sa tuition doon na binayad namin. So, at meron din pala kaming iPad eh! So excited! So yung iPad na ito, dito kami nag-i-exam, dito kami nag-aaral kasi dito yung parang libro. So, hindi siya, so yung libro namin ba nasa iPad. Char! Social. So, hindi na bili-bili ng iPad. Yan ka na mag-aaral, be. So, kailangan naka-chat all the time. So, ayan, syempre, excited tayo magbukas-bukas ng iPad, eh! Char. So, ayan na, guys. Alam ko, bawal mag-video dito. Hindi ko alam, wala kasi yung teacher, so wala naman kaming lesson, so nagbibideo-video ko dito, pero bawal lalagay yan, pero wala naman, wala man nag-notice, tago-tago lang ako dito sa gilid, char. So ayan, binasa na namin si Samantha guys, kay may cut na kami ng straight haircut. So ayan, so basic, kala nyo madali lang hindi kaya madali haircut ng straight. Ano daw? Ha! So, ayan, nag-sectioning na kami. Char, I'm so excited. So, ayan na nga, be. This is Wednesday na, the next day. So, meron kaming Prosper You Day. So, we learn about marketing and everything like that, chuchu. So, iba naman siya. Parang tinuturuan kami in advance to learn about business and everything, mga ganong chuchu. So, parang once a week meron kaming ganon every Wednesday. So, ayan, inantok na lola mo dito, be, kasi break time. Siya nag-aral. Nag-aral ako konti kasi it's our 15-minute break. Hindi talaga ako lumalabas. Kaya tamad mo yung lola mo, maglakad-lakad. Wala man ang gagawin. So, ayan, this is our third day or it's our second day of cutting. So, ayan, this one is Zoe. We did the bob cut, kinda haircut thingy. Hindi ko na maalala. So, ayan nga, ayan yung ginawa namin. Medyo curve siya kasi we did the blow dryer thingy, blow out to create a beveled. Basta yung naka-curve siya, papasok, ganyan, beveled thingy. Ayan, ito yung sa akin. I'm so proud. This is our second time na we did the blow dryer. So, ayan na naman. Ginupit na namin uli si Zoe. This time we did the round haircut naman. So, this is the second time we cut Zoe. Kasi, paikli na siya. Paikli, be. Ayan. So, ayan. Nagupit na naman kami using Samantha.